morning, students. Now today we will discuss the fifth chapter, quadratic equations. Quadratic equations we learned already in previous classes. Polynomials. Polynomials is a algebraic expression having variables and constants. Variables and constants having coefficients operate on variables on different powers, on having different powers. In this chapter, quadratic means having degree 2, we know the Coco court. It have dimensions 29 meters. And 16 meters. Have dimensions 29 meters and 16 meters. In this court, we are giving a width on all sides x meters. We are giving a place on the all sides with width x meters. Therefore, length of this value is 29 plus x. That means 29 plus 2x. Here x is there and also x plus x, 2x meters. And this width is 16 plus 2x, and area of the rectangle plot is length into breadth. Here length is 29 plus 2x and the breadth is 16 plus 2x. Now we are multiplying these values. 29 into 16. 29 into 16 is 464 plus 29 to 58x plus 2x into 16. 32x, 2x into 2x, 4x square. We are writing in an order. 4x square plus 58x plus 32x, 90x plus 464, 90x plus 464, but actual area is, that means the given area is 568 meters square. Given area is equal to 558 meters square. That means this value is equal to 558 . Now we are transposing this value to the side. Four x square plus 90x plus 464 minus 558 is equal to 0. Four 64 minus 558. Minus 94 is equal to 0. Now, two tables cancel on the all values, all the terms. So, we are calculating with 2, 2x square plus 45x minus 47 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 45x minus 47 is equal to 0. This is called the quadratic equation. This is called the quadratic equation. Here, quadratic equation means it having an equal to 0. The polynomial, the power degree 2. So, its degree is 2. So, it is a quadratic and this value is equal to 0. So, it is a quadratic equation. In case of there is no value, that means only having 2x square plus 45x minus 47. It is a polynomial, quadratic polynomial. But it having equal to 0, it changes to equation. It changes to an equation. So for every polynomial, that means for every quadratic polynomial having 0, that means write any polynomial x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. It is equal to 0. It is changes to quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. It having degree 2. So it is a quadratic equation. Write another one. It is a quadratic polynomial. It is equal to 0. So it changes to quadratic equation. Yes, there is little difference between polynomial and equation. In a polynomial, these values are not equal to 0. These values are not equal to 0. These are the quadratic polynomials. If they are equal to 0, this is called, they are called quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. Write definition. A real number, write the definition. A quadratic equation in the variable x The variable x is an equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, comma a not equal to 0, where a comma b comma c are real numbers. A comma b comma c are real numbers. A comma b comma c are called real numbers. In this equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a not equal to 0, where a comma b comma c are called the real numbers. This equation is called quadratic equation. Here we are having only ax square plus bx plus c. This is the quadratic polynomial. It having equal to 0. This is called the quadratic equation. Next, try this. Page number 102. Try this. Page number 102. Try this. Check whether the following equations are quadratic or not. Quadratic or not. First one, x square minus 6x minus 4 equal to 0. It is a quadratic or not. Check whether it is quadratic or not. Yes. Here degree is 2. So it is quadratic and equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Answer is yes. It is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Second, x cube minus 6x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. It is having degree 3. So it is not a quadratic. Because of having highest power is 2. We need highest power 2. But here having 3. So it is not a quadratic. No, it is not a quadratic equation. Third, 7x is equal to 2x square. Seven x is equal to 2x square. Answer. The given equation is 7x is equal to 2x square. Now we are transposing 7x to this side. This is the plus 7x. Here value is plus 7x. Now we are transpose that. 2x square minus 7x is equal to 0. Plus 7x transpose that minus 7x. 2x square minus 7x is equal to 0. The highest power is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Next, fourth one. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 2. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 2. Answer. See the value. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 2. Here the value is 1 by x square. Here a variable in the denominator. It is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial, so it is not a quadratic equation. No, it is not a quadratic equation. No, it is not a quadratic equation. And also fifth one. Two x plus 1 into 3x plus 1 is equal to b into x minus 1 into x minus 2. X minus 1 into x minus 2. Solution. Write the given equation. Now we are multiplying these values. 2x into 3x. 2x into 3x. 6x square. 2x into 1. 2x. 1 into 3x. 3x. 1 into 1. 1 is equal to b into. Now here we are multiplying x into x. X square. X into minus 2. Minus 2x. Minus 1 into x. Minus x. Minus into minus. Plus 1 into 2. 2. The value is 6x square. 2x plus 3x. 5x. Plus 1 is equal to b into x square minus 2x minus x minus 3x plus 2. Next we are multiplying with b. b into x square minus 3b into x plus 2b. Next we are transposing this value this side. These values are transposing this side. 6x square plus 5x plus 1 minus bx square minus into minus plus 3bx minus 2b is equal to 0. All these values transposing the side, minus bx square plus 3bx minus 2b is equal to 0. Next, we are common with x square. The remaining value is 6 minus b. 6 minus b into x square. Next 2 times common with the b. 5 plus 3b into x. The remaining value is 1 minus 2b is equal to 0. 1 minus 2b is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. And next, sixth one. Sixth one, 3y square is equal to 192. 3y square is equal to 192. Answer. Given 3y square is equal to 192. Now transpose the value. 3y square minus 192 is equal to 0. Here, highest power is 2. Here variable is y. In previous sum variable is x. In this one variable is y. So it is a quadratic equation. Yes. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Next, what are the uses of quadratic equation? Quadratic functions. What are the uses of quadratic functions? Here, some points are there. See the textbook, page number 103. These are the 4 points. Here they are given. These are important ones. These 4 points are very important. For 4 marks or 2 marks. First point. When the rocket is fired upward, then the path of the rocket is defined. Then the path of the rocket is defined as a quadratic function. When the rocket is fired upward, then the path is defined by the quadratic equation. And second one, shape of the satellite disk. Shape of the satellite dish. Shape of the satellite dish are defined by the reflecting mirror in a telescope. reflecting mirror in a telescope, lens of the eyeglasses, that means spectacle glasses, and orbits of the celestial objects are defined by the quadratic equations. See the satellite dish, reflecting mirror, lens of eyeglasses, artificial satellite, and earth or universe. The earth is rotating in the sun. So these shapes are defined by the quadratic equation. And next, third one, the path of the projectile is defined by the quadratic function. The path of the projectile is defined by the quadratic function. That means we are hit the ball or we are throwing a ball. We are throw the ball. That side, the path is defined by the quadratic function. The path is defined by the quadratic function. In a football match, we are kick the ball with legs. The ball moves upwards and goes to some distance and it reaches the earth. This path is called, this is the path. Suppose this is defined by the quadratic function. It is defined by the quadratic function. Next, fourth one. When the brakes are applied to a vehicle, the stopping distance is calculated by using the quadratic equation. We are going different types of vehicles. We are applying the brakes for the vehicle. It moves some distance and stop. This distance is calculated by using the quadratic equation or quadratic function. These 4 points are very important. Sometimes the questions are asked in the 4 points. Next, write the example 1. Write the example 1. Represent the following situations mathematically. Page number 103. Example 1. Represent the following situations mathematically. Following situations mathematically. First one. Write the question. Write the first question. Raju and Rajender together have 45 marbles. Write the question. Raju and Rajender together have 45 marbles. 45 marbles. Both of them lost lost 5 marbles each. 5 marbles each. And the product of the number of marbles Now they have is 124. Now they have is 124. We would like to find out. We would like to find out how many marbles. How many marbles they had previously. How many marbles they had previously. Here two members are there. They are Raju and Rajender. They are having 45 marbles on both. Solution. First solution. Let number of marbles Raju have is equal to X. Number of marbles Raju have is equal to X. Next, second person, Rajendra is there, but both of them are having 45 marbles. So, number of marbles having Rajendra is equal to 45 minus X. Having Rajendra is equal to 45 minus X. Number of marbles having Rajendra is equal to 45 minus X. Next, here this value is because of both are having 45 marbles. Here we are adding these two values, plus X minus X cancel. So 45 is remaining. Next, given that both are last 5 marbles, so number of marbles in Raju, is equal to X minus 5. Similarly, number of marbles in Rajendra is equal to 45 minus X. This is the first value. Now 5 marbles are lost. Therefore, remaining value is 45 minus 5. Is equal to 40 minus X. 45 minus 5 is equal to 40 minus X. Next, given that product of this value product is equal to 124, that means these two values product. X minus 5 into 40 minus X is equal to 124. Product of these two values is equal to 124. Now we are multiplying these two values. X into 40, 40x minus x into minus x square minus 5 into 40 200 minus into minus plus 5 into x 5x minus 124 is equal to 0. Now we are adding similar values. Minus x square plus 40x plus 5x plus 45x minus 200 minus 124 minus 324 is equal to 0. Now we are multiplying with a minus x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. X square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Required quadratic equation. Next, write the second sum. Write the second sum. Write down the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 25 centimeter. Right triangle is 25 centimeter. We know that the difference in the length of the other two sides is 5 centimeter. Length of the other two sides is 5 centimeter. We would like to find out the length of the other two sides. The length of the other two sides. The length of the other two sides for a right angle triangle. That means it are having 90 degrees in one angle. Here hypotenuse is 25 centimeter and the difference between two sides is 5 centimeter. So one of the side is taken as x centimeter and the remaining is x plus 5 centimeter. X plus 5 or x minus 5. Take any one. Solution. Given hypotenuse here hypotenuse is AC. AC is equal to 25 centimeter and next the remaining two sides, that means let smallest side x centimeters, that is equal to AB, and other side That means BC is equal to x plus 5 centimeter. BC is equal to x plus 5 centimeter. And next, by using Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Formula is hypotenuse square is equal to, here this is the hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square, plus side square. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Here hypotenuse is AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now substituting these values, here AC is 25 and AB is x. BC is x plus 5 whole square. Twenty-five, 625. Here the value is x square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. That means a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So the value is x square plus 5 square. 5 5 is 25 plus 2 5 is 10x. Now we are transposing 625 this side. X square plus x square. 2x square plus 10x plus 25 plus 625. Now we are transpose that. Minus 625 is equal to 0. Two x square plus 10x minus 600 is equal to 0. Now we are cancel with two table. X square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. X square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. X square plus 5x minus 300 is the required quadratic equation.